Hello, everyone. Welcome to Yajentio Training Academy. Are you a student or job seeker who wants to become a backend developer but doesn't know where to start? Do you feel confused about servers, APIs, databases, and how real applications actually work? Then this video is for you, because today I'm going to introduce our complete Node.js Backend Development Program, a course designed to make you job-ready in just 8 weeks, even if you are a fresher. Why Node.js? Node.js is one of the most in-demand backend technologies in the world. Top companies are using Node.js to build fast web applications, scalable APIs, real-time systems, and microservices. If your goal is to become a full-stack or backend developer, learning Node.js is a must. What you will learn? In this course, you will not just learn theory, you will build real applications. You will master server-side JavaScript with Node.js, Express.js framework, REST API development, MongoDB database integration, authentication and real-time backend concepts, project structure used in real companies, tools you will work with. You will get hands-on experience with Node.js, Express.js, MongoDB, NPM, Postman. These are the same tools used by professional backend developers. Real-time projects. This program includes 4+ backend projects so that you gain practical experience, you can showcase your work in interviews, you build a strong portfolio. Because companies don't hire based on certificates, they hire based on skills and projects. Course details. Duration is 8 weeks. Course fee is 22,000 rupees. Level is fresher-friendly. This course is specially designed for students, job seekers, career switchers, and anyone who wants to become a backend developer. After this course, by the end of this program, you will be able to build your own backend applications, create and deploy REST APIs, work with real databases, attend backend developer interviews with confidence. You will move from beginner to job-ready developer. Your future in software development depends on the skills you choose today. Backend development is not just a career, it is a high-growth, high-salary opportunity. So don't miss this chance. Join Yajentio Training Academy's Node.js Backend Development Program and start your journey toward becoming a professional backend developer. Contact us today for enrollment. Like, share, and subscribe for more career-building content. See you in the next video.